Hi there. I'm taking you through a quick video to show you how to access the online version of the textbook for the Vista Higher Learning program you are considering. I'm in TEMAS, our AP Spanish program. You may be looking at a different super site, but the navigation is the same. If you click on Content and go into vText, this will take you into the vText, which is the online version of the textbook. Here we see we have some features at the top which allow us to turn the page and navigate through that way. It's a very quick and easy, user-friendly way to take a look at the entire textbook. You can also zoom in if you'd like to enlarge the pages, as well as navigate by the contents here. And here you have your 6 different themes. You can navigate to any of those and then go into the various pages of the book. So it's a very easy way to check out the textbook. We do have an ebook available as well. It is not available in a demo, but that is a downloadable version of the textbook, which can be accessed offline. So keep that in mind as you consider the program. Thanks so much.